Hi and welcome back to Aasai Rasai. This recipe is for a Maldive fish sambal and the ingredients are flexible, so adjust to your liking. These quantities that I've shown here are only a guide. If the lines are a little bit firm, you could just roll it around like this with some pressure and it'll soften up and become more juicy. If you're new to Maldive fish, these are what the flakes look like. When you're shopping to make this sambal, look for the fish flakes. If you can't find the flakes, then try the chips. Either way, if it's finely ground like this, then it is much easier for you to pound. I have my kitchen window open, that's why you can hear the bird sounds. I'm letting you enjoy it. So anyway, once you've added all the ingredients together, you can start pounding. I have not made this in the blender or the food processor, but that's an option too if you want to use your blender. You might have to pulse it and not really run it, and of course it's not going to take 20 minutes. This is not normally done, but my secret ingredient for this sambal is brown sugar. A little bit enhances the taste. You'll never know it's there. You can use any kind of sugar or sweetener. It's been 20 minutes since I started pounding, and this is what it looks like. The Maldive fish sambal is ready to serve, and it goes well with hoppers or Kiri Bath. Those recipes are also on this channel, Aasai Rasai, and I have put the links at the end of this video for your convenience. I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay subscribed and click on the bell icon to get notifications on your phone or your device when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.